Hello everyone, Nasir here. I'm going to talk about the Euro USD in this video. So what a bounce back Euro has given us over the past few weeks. Man, Euro was falling really badly at one point, going as low as 1.11. I actually initially expected the Euro USD to stop somewhere around 1.12, 1.125. So it did exceed my expectations, but hell, what a bounce back up. But what I'm seeing now is actually we're running out of steam again, and I didn't actually expect it to bounce back up that radically. In fact, initially I did expect it to stop somewhere around 1.135 ish, around there. So again, it's exceeding my expectation, but hey, we can't always be spot on with our calculations. But Euro USD is looking nice for a fall, and I would imagine we're heading right back down to those lows again, possibly even lower, if I'm honest. If I was to go any lower, if I just zoom out in my 4 hours, if I was to go any lower, I would suspect something down. I can't even get enough history on this. There we go. I would suspect something down to as low as about 1.1, 1050, something like that. But again, I wouldn't stretch it as far as that. If I was to do a short trade on this, I would take it just down to 1.11 and then sit it out, see what happens if it goes or if it just starts reversing. So in contrast, we should see the dollar strengthen, because obviously I think there's been a lot of traders out there who were expecting the dollar to strengthen last week and the week before, but the dollar was just getting hammered. So now I think the time's probably just right for the dollar to start strengthening, with a lot of talk about interest rate hikes, and more than 5 interest rate hikes in the US this year. So let's see what happens. So for now, I'm staying on the short side on Euro USD, expecting to take it down to somewhere around 1.11.
So if this is your first time following my analysis, I highly recommend you do not trade based on my analysis. Please do follow this analysis and see how it works out. At the end of the day, I cannot be correct every time I do an analysis. My accuracy rate is pretty high, but again, just as with any trader, any analyst, you can't be correct all the time. There will be some times when you are actually wrong. So what I would highly recommend is you follow my analysis, get a feel for how I do things, and get a feel for my accuracy. Look at my past analysis, look at my previous videos, look at my blog, and make your own judgments. Hopefully you will see that I'm pretty accurate and I could really help you out on your trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below, and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.